Hello my dear students, I heartily welcome you all in this session, our subject Science, class 7th standard. Dear students, in this class, we are going to study acid, bases and salts, in that neutralization, which is very important topic. Dear students, we have learned that acids turns blue litmus to red. It turns blue litmus paper to red litmus and bases turn red to blue. Yes, acid turns blue litmus paper to red and bases turns red litmus paper to blue. Let us see what happens when an acid is mixed with a base. When acid is mixed with the base, what happens? We are going to use an indicator that you have not used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. Pronunciation phenolphthalein, spelling PHENOLPHTHALEIN. Phenolphthalein, it is an indicator. So let us demonstrate an activity. 5.5. What is our aim? To be demonstrated by the teacher in the class. This had to be and the instruction by the teacher we have to do. So fill 1/4 of the test tube. It is the process of neutralization. Yes, what our aim? The process of neutralization. Process of neutralization. Fill the 1/4 of a test tube with a dilute hydrochloric acid. HCl, dilute, not a strong acid, dilute acid. So note down its color. What is its color? Note down the color of the phenolphthalein solution also. We have to note down the color of phenolphthalein indicator. Add 2 to 3 drops of indicator to the acid. Now shake the test tube gently. Do you observe any changes in the color of the acid? Add the acidic solution to a drop of sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Hydrochloric acid is the acid. Sodium hydroxide is a base solution by the dropper. Stir it gently. Is there any changes in the color of the solution? Yes, continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop, base. Yes, to this. While stirring till the pink color is just appears, this light pink color. Now add 1 more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. What do you observe? The solution again becomes colorless. Again add 1 drop of the solution hydroxide base. Again add it. Is there any changes in the color? The solution again becomes pink in color. It is evident that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. Observe, it is very important. If the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. It gives pink color, it remains colorless. When an acidic solution is mixed with a base solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. When an acidic solution and a base solution are mixed in a suitable amounts, both the acidic nature and the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic or not basic. Next, touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What happens after neutralization? Just touch it. What do you observe? In a neutralization reaction, heat is always produced. The test tube is heated. It is heat, slightly it is warm. It is heat. It always produces heat when in the process of neutralization. Yes, or it is evolved. The evolved heat is raised the temperature of the reaction mixture. In neutralization reaction, a new substance is formed. This is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic or a neutral in nature. Thus, neutralization can be defined as the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. What is neutralization? The reaction between acid and base. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. So the reaction gives acid plus base is produced, salt and water, and heat is evolved. So the above example shows we can show it as an equation. In a following equation, hydrochloric acid, HCl, it is acid, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, it is a base which gives a salt, which is that sodium chloride is a salt plus water. So Bhojo added dilute sulfuric acid in a lime water. So will the reaction mixture becomes hot or a cool? What happens? Check it. Neutralization in everyday life. First one, indigestion. In digestion and digestion, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. In digestion, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid, HCl. It helps us to digestion food, as you have learnt in chapter 2. But too much of acid in a stomach causes indigestion. If there is a too much acid, it causes indigestion. So sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid and acid such as milk or a magnesia. We'll take milk or a magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Next one, ant bite. Dear students, when an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid, formic acid, very important. Which acid? Formic acid. See, when ant bites, you will feel burning sensation. So, it actually injects the acid. Which acid? Formic acid, very important, into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by the rubbing moist baking soda. Baking soda is a base. Baking soda is a sodium hydrogen carbonate. Baking soda, its scientific name sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, by rubbing a moist baking soda or a calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate. Next one, soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plant do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Yes, when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with a base like quicklime. Quicklime. It is, if too acidic, it is calcium oxide. What is that? Calcium oxide. Or slacked lime, which is calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, the organic matter compost, it is very basic, compost is added to it. Organic matter releases acid, which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Next one, factory wastes. Yes, the wastes of many factories contain acid. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acid will kill fish and other organisms. The factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. So this is neutralization in our daily life. These applications are very important. Study it carefully. Lesson has finished. So you have to solve exercise questions. Thank you.